Joby Aviation and Toyota are taking their partnership to the next level with a brand new joint venture designed to bring electric air taxis into large-scale production. While the two companies have been working together behind the scenes for nearly a decade, this new agreement makes their collaboration much deeper and more official. Toyota has already invested hundreds of millions of dollars in Joby over the past few years, while helping the company develop its manufacturing strategy. Now, instead of simply offering advice and financial backing, Toyota will become a direct manufacturing partner. Together, they're launching the Joby Toyota Aero Manufacturing Preparation Company in California. Toyota will own 51% of the new venture and appoint 3 board members, while Joby will hold the remaining 49% and select 2 directors. The joint venture will focus on preparing Joby's S4 electric air taxi for mass production. Joby is giving the new company exclusive rights to manufacture the aircraft, along with royalty-free access to its designs and technology. The S4 is an all-electric aircraft with 6 rotors that can take off and land vertically before transitioning into forward flight. It carries 1 pilot and up to 4 passengers, reaching speeds of around 200 miles per hour. The main goal now is to build these aircraft faster, maintain consistent quality, and reduce production costs. Those improvements are expected to support Joby's certification process, while helping the company meet future customer demand once commercial flights begin. Joby recently completed a series of demonstration flights in New York City, giving passengers a glimpse of what electric air taxi travel could look like. Turning those successful test flights into a full commercial service, however, requires the ability to produce aircraft at a much larger scale. That's where Toyota's decades of manufacturing experience could make a huge difference. The company is known for building efficient production systems that reduce waste while maintaining high quality, and those same methods could help electric air taxis become a practical transportation option instead of a limited demonstration. For Toyota, the partnership fits its long-term vision of mobility. Chairman Akio Toyoda has often described air transportation as the next step in helping people move more efficiently. By combining Toyota's manufacturing expertise with Joby's aviation technology, both companies are aiming to accelerate the future of urban air travel. The partnership also sends a strong signal to regulators, investors, and future operators. Having one of the world's largest manufacturers take such an active ownership role adds credibility to Joby's plans and strengthens confidence that its electric air taxi program is built on a solid foundation.